Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So continuing our problem solving series in sequences and series, here I came up with two more questions written on the screen. If a, b, c and d are positive real numbers such that a plus b plus c plus d is 2, then m is equal to a plus b dot c plus d satisfies the relation they are asking. So guys, here I will be going to apply am greater than or equal to gm by taking two numbers a plus b and c plus d. So what will be generated by me over here? We'll be writing a plus b plus c plus d divided by 2 will be the arithmetic mean of these two numbers greater than or equal to geometric mean, that is the square root of a plus b dot c plus d. And we do know the value of a plus b plus c plus d, that is 2. So 2 by 2 is greater than or equal to square root of a plus b dot c plus d. So the final value will be becoming what? On squaring on both sides will be going to get 1 greater than or equal to square root of a plus b dot c plus d. Then 1 greater than or equal to a plus b dot c plus d, or a plus b dot c plus d is less than 1, less than or equal to 1, but will be greater than 0 because a, b, c and d are positive real numbers. So this is the value of m we are knowing. So 0 will be less than m, will be less than or equal to 1. So option A will be the right answer for this question. Now let's move on to the next question. Alpha, beta be the roots of, let's bring down the question. Let alpha, beta be the roots of x square minus x plus p is equal to 0. So what can be written by us? Alpha plus beta is equal to 1, it will be alpha dot beta is equal to p, it will be, and gamma and delta are the roots of x square minus 4x plus q is equal to 0. So we may write gamma plus delta as 4, it will be, and gamma dot delta is equal to q, it will be. Now what do we know? The value of alpha, beta, gamma, delta are in GP. Then the integer values of p and q are respectively they are asking. So guys, let us assume alpha is a over here, beta is ar over here, gamma is ar square over here, and delta is ar cube over here. So we may see a plus ar is equal to 1, it will be, and ar square plus ar cube is equal to 1, it will be. So we may get a as a common over here, 1 plus r is equal to 1, it will be, divided by a square, a as a common over here, ar square as a common over here, 1 plus r is equal to 4, it will be. Guys, the value of this thing was 4 given to us, gamma plus delta. Now taking a square root on both these sides, this will be going to get cancelled with this. So r square is equal to 4, so r is equal to plus or minus 2. Now let's get the value of a. I want the integral value of p and q. So the value of a we may achieve from first equation by keeping the value of r as 2. So 3r is equal to 1, that is 3a is equal to 1, that is a is equal to 1 by 3. And when r is equal to minus 2 will be kept by me, that is a minus 2a is equal to 1. So a is equal to minus 1 will be achieved by us. So a is equal to minus 1, or it is 1 by 3. When it is 1 by 3, r will be 2, and when it is minus 1, r will be minus 2. Now we want the value of p and q. So what is the value of p we are knowing? That is alpha dot beta we are knowing. Can you see over here alpha dot beta is p, and can you see over here gamma dot delta is q. So alpha dot beta will become what? A dot ar, that is a square r. A square means what? Minus 1 the square multiplied by minus 2, that is minus 2. And value of q will be becoming ar square multiplied by ar cube, that will be becoming a square r to the power 5, that will be minus 1 the whole square multiplied by minus 2 to the power 5, that is minus 32. And they are only the integral values of p and q. Okay, the other values will be non-integral. So right answer for this question will be option A over here. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.